sunny day. I'm just wearing a biker's jacket. Pretty cool.
The card and put Happy New Year. Guys.
Oh my god, guys. It's so sunny. Oh, she got her glasses on. Where are your glasses?
Even yours.
Where is my glasses? I don't understand where this girl is taking me. I thought we were going to Deals.
Yeah, we are. Yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is the way to the Povieshka street. At last I learned how to tell that.
Yeah.
Povieshka? Povieshka?
Don't.
So we came till here, but unfortunately shops in Poland are only open for old people from 10 to 12, so they didn't let us in. I was wondering why there's majority of the old people now. Now I get it. So now
Guys, find me.
2021, yeah.
Hey, give me the one gold.
Gold, yeah. And how much does it cost? It's $2. Not that bad.
Not that bad.
So it's just
So
2021.
you can just buy the card and put Happy New Year.
They even decorated the trams for New Year and Christmas. How lovely. This girl is dancing in the street. Guys, now it's around 12, so that we are going to Lidl to get some chicken and carrots and God knows. Let's go there and figure it out. Lidl is inside this shopping mall, so we go there. Open. Close to getting hit, huh? And I think it's underground. There. When my sister was here, we used to come here just for fruits because they have much more variety than Bidronga. These girls come for chicken and
Bakery, you know?
bakery, the bread and all. Yeah, they come for bakery. She is gonna show us how to see if it is halal chicken. Okay, yeah, tell me. So this is like the chicken breast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you have to look down here, the manufacturer, from which brand it is. If it's dropped, then it's the correct one.
This is halal.
This
and
one
show
from
me
Lidl.
a halal, not halal chicken.
Not halal.
Yeah.
Like you have to always check the manufacturer. Like
Yeah, show me this one. You said this is not halal, right?
what's this one?
Over here.
Oh no, this one is also halal.
This is halal?
Yeah, because look.
Oh, this
Yeah, the
thing,
flags,
right?
Yeah, yeah, because
So
a
guys,
friend of
take a look
mine
at it.
checked because like he works with the nutrition for exporting. So
Yeah, she said. Alright, so we are done with the first level of shopping from Lidl, and now for me work is starting at 1, so I need to go. Yeah, so they are going to she's coughing. Yeah, so they're going to Bidronga and then get a little more meat for food. That's it, and the rest is decoration. Yeah. 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 Now I'm getting it, huh? Come on, more pressure, okay? Sad. I don't even know how to blow a...
Dude, it's so difficult trying to press. And I want to think comfortable.
Yeah, do it more. Come on, man, do it.
Oh man. Okay. Put it together properly.
Yeah, you. Okay. Little more. And tying this. Wow.
I'll send it to you.
Yeah, I'll put the story. Ah, it was once upon a time, guys. I used to tie balloons. Now I don't.
She is struggling, guys.
Oh shit!
Look what she's done.
It's actually hard. Do you know how to tie a balloon?
Yeah. Two fingers and then put it in between.
It was easy
And
once
then
upon
ring
a
it.
time, but now it's.
Oh, there you go. Ta-da!
Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. It's around, what's the time? I was about to drop it. It's 10:21 p.m. and we were decorating the room. Sarah and Samira almost did the room. I was working. Okay, so they have managed to do the balloons and it's so pretty already. And now I'm in charge of the thing, like Happy New Year thing. So let me draw it, and then we're gonna cut and stick them on the wall so that we can get some good pictures taken at least. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we are partially frying our light provider. Okay, we are partially frying our chicken. For the biryani, we have a little more left for the biryani. Her apple pie, Samira's apple pie. Hope it ends up as apple pie. Ayo, hot. Okay, that is lasagna by Sarah. Pretty good. And then we have the rice. She's gonna soak it for biryani. Very good. And guys, I'm cutting onions. Oh my god, this is not easy. Hello. Okay, so Natasha is basically gonna try my cupcakes.
I've already tried it. I've been trying it.
Yeah, she is my official taster.
Yeah.
Like whenever I bake cupcakes, for sure she's gonna have it.
She actually carries me on business interviews
Yeah.
to give recommendations.
So she always get to try it.
Okay, so this time I'm trying the cheese.
Yeah, this time I made a frosting. Like it was a last minute plan, but it actually tastes good. And yeah, if so you guys are in Pusnan, please do order. Just DM R&B pastries.
It's nice and soft.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell the actual review.
They can't see me eating it.
Then bend.
No, because your hand.
I'm sorry guys.
Okay,
See
that's
her
it.
eat.
ASMR.
ASMR. Then you should go a little more closer. We don't have microphones.
Well, you done.
I'm getting the ASMR over here. My sister is very fond of
She's so
ASMR
good.
videos. Really?
Yeah. I mean, not that you need to be told you're a chef. I feel like your degree says it.
My degree.
Yeah, the one you got from culinary school.
It was just a 1 week. I think this one, all credit goes to my grandma. Look at me and look at this girl. She's all dressed up. Oh, yo. See? I asked her to be nicely dressed, and this is how she comes.
She said dress up. I asked her, is it like casual PJs? And she said dress
She
up.
even asked, is it a pajama
I
party?
said okay.
So yeah, I need to go get dressed. But I'm glad at least. I made biryani, guys. Wow.
Yeah, she did so much. She
Yeah.
smelled like biryani.
I smell
I
like
was joking.
biryani.
No,
I
she
took a
doesn't.
shower, guys. Do you mean
She
to say
doesn't
I need
smell
to
like
go?
it. That was a joke. Like, I don't know. You don't have a scent.
Alright, guys. Sarah.
I made lasagna. What else do you want me to say?
Say hi. Happy
Hi.
New Year. Happy New Year. Attack. Who will serve? Will you serve?
Everyone can dip in here.
You won't serve for me?
Why?
I'm hit. Sarah gave this for lasagna and this for biryani. This is like 5-star hotel facility.
Really good.
It's good?
Yes.
You like my biryani?
I really like it.
Wow, cute.
It's really good.
She like my biryani, guys. We're gonna buzz this, guys. Let me double check, guys. Oh my god, guys, last minute plan. We decided to go out so that we can see the crackers. Less than 2 minutes. What? Oh my god, I'm freaking. So we got something like this. Elena bought this, so pretty good to have a beautiful New Year too. That just goes up, it won't burst.
Hey. Hey.
Don't burn me, okay? Okay, guys, so the last part of the New Year celebration is breaking non-alcoholic. So, she's gonna do the halal party. As
Yep.
I said.
That's us.
But we're not limiting ourselves.
Oh no.
This shows we only drink coffee.
Oh, edit it. Okay, guys, you can do what you want.
See? You're all are so innocent. Don't break my camera, okay? That's my rule.
Break Nikki's camera.
Don't break my Where are your glasses? No, Chandra?
Wait. How do I do this? Wait.
It would be very fun to break this.
I feel like it should go from here.
When should
But
we-
like normal champagne has like the cork, and this
yeah.
one has like the plastic thing.
You want me to bring the?
I do.
You want? Try this.
No, this we need to. It won't work for that.
We need the wooden cork.
Oh no!
Ah!
Okay.
We getting it?
Okay.
Sorry.
We're getting it.
We didn't expect it, but we got it very
Happy New Year!
Dude, this didn't break as expected. Guys, now we're gonna pop the balloons. Basically, we should have actually pulled it down, but it didn't break. It didn't work as planned. I won't break it.
I'm gonna eat it.
You will break it.
I'm scared.
Dude, give me this.
Okay.
But there's a
balloon confetti if you want.
You mean 2021? I need to overcome my fear of bursting balloons. Huh?
Yes.
Can I have something to burst it? Because for sure I can't burst it with my hand. Do you think this would break? That is look.
Get your spanking diamonds. I bought a plain Jane roller. This nigga bought they fame. I think my back got scoliosis cause I swerved the lane.
Why?
You signed your money for that plain Jane.
Bye.